Ayy, the youngest to do with the team. I'm shooting my shot like a ring. My niggas ball like LeBron. Yeah, we got the ring. He think that a young nigga lacking. I turn this bitch into a thriller like my name was Michael Jackson. Blocking my lap in traffic. Roll down the window, you know that I'm blasting. Just like Denzel, all about ass.
Hey, you Falcons.
How's it going, Michael, with my Drift Society? Today we're doing a bit of a walk around my car.
I'm just gonna keep rolling. Who cares? Go.
So yeah, we'll start at the front. It used to be a street car about a month ago, but got defected.
Not bad.
Yeah, engine bay just repainted the rocket colour, full cooling system, bigger radiator, shitty fucking some weird advanced extractors.
Yeah, they got the skinny boys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was getting the detachable. It's because the spark with Bluetooth. Bluetooth.
Anyway,
what next?
we just just got a fucking angle kit from AU House and chucked that on. Got AU House camber mounts. Just got braided brake lines for it.
All around.
All around.
Yep.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for the front. E-series offset wheels, Tickfords. Slammed on its nuts. Got eBay special front coilovers. Ryobi rear springs. As you know, they're good. On the inside, got a light. Got a custom accent tax roll cage. Got done for me. Got the bucket seat, steering wheel, cube short shifter, and we got our own fire extinguisher brackets, same as our own block off plates for the radio.
Not bad.
What else, eh?
Roll cage.
Yeah, so there's a roll cage.
Here's the wheels.
There's the wheels.
Yeah, not bad cage. Bare metal, clear coated.
But to be honest, it's just a basic drifter. You don't need too much money to make one of these things go hard. Yeah, we'll be at Winton Raceway next month. Just smash some sets, get them some doors.
Don't fuck it up.
Yeah, true.
Blind yourself. It's also got some Petters sports ride shocks in the rear, which are good shocks.
Yeah, really
if
good.
you don't have coilovers,
Really yeah.
would recommend. Choppies, and it feels like coilovers.
Yeah, two and a half coils chopped out of it with those shocks. I mean, perfect. They've got heaps of suspension travel. Okay.
Alright, just a tip for everyone: do not put D22 shocks in the back of your AU Falcon.
These right here can go in the bin.
Yeah.
If you ever put D22 shocks in your Falcon, you're going to end up with your tail shaft through your floor, basically.
Yeah, not bad.
Yep. Yeah, so don't do that.
Might as well do fucking diff to your chassis.
Yeah, basically. But, yeah, no, it's pretty good. Goes hard. Love the window. AU Falcon. BA door bolts. Nice BA door bolts.
I'm gonna take those off, Pop.
Don't take them off.
With my fucking wheel.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
That's Jamie's night. So yeah, if you're drifting at Winton, I'll see you there, and so will Jamie. And,
Yep.
it's Jamie's turn to do a walk around of his car now.
Yep. Next is mine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're pretty good cars, easy to drift, fun to have fun. This is our first video. This is our first ever video, so don't hate. We're trying.
No.
We're trying.
It took a lot of balls to make this.
A lot of tries.
Oh, we're gonna let's show them your bucket seat.
Bucket seat.
Your cheap bucket seat. Nah, it's not cheap. It's not too bad.
No, it's not too bad.
Not too bad. Not bad.
Yeah. Bucket seat. It's actually got the display steering wheel from Super Cheap Auto.
Wow.
So a lot of people have put their dirty pits on this thing.
I like dirty things.
You like dirty things? I like dirty things too. Weather shields. They're not bad.
Good.
Sticker. Extra 5 horsepower right there.
Is that all?
DJR gives you an extra 10.
Age size like 10 horsepower.
I thought that was 30.
Oh, the big ones are.
Yeah. Talking about the big ones, you can buy these big stickers off our page. $100 each. You can buy small ones for about $20. Is that right? $25.
Oh, 15.
15. There you go. Even cheaper. We also sell window banners. Don't worry about the bonnet. Jamie, what are you doing, mate? You're scratching my wheel with a shock. Alright, go do the outro.
Cheers for watching. Next video will be of me doing a review or walkthrough of my AU drift car.
Mr. Drifter.
And yeah, hopefully heaps of videos to come in the future. And remember, I'll do a flip.
Not bad.